So this is my first time shooting the cinematic shots. I have never done this before, and this is my first time doing it. I don't have any experience shooting cinematic shots, and I'm also not sure how well it turns out. I'm also pretty excited and also looking forward to see the end results. It's very fun to shoot the cinematic shots. It's also very satisfying once the video are being edited. I can't wait to see it. So hope you guys enjoy today's video, and also if you guys like the cinematic shots, please give me a like buttons, and also please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Ride safe, drive safe, and bye.
I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough as